Hey, welcome to episode 126 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about how you can tell your creditors to delay payments on past due payments. So, say if you guys are past due on your payments, and all you can do is kind of just pay your, say if you pay $100 per month and you technically haven't paid for 3 months, you owe $300. How to tell your creditor, hey, I cannot pay my $300. I'll start paying my $100, but can we do this with my previous payments? Can we move on to the end of my loan? Can those be forgiven or whatever the case may be? I actually created a letter to help you all with this problem because I realize a lot of people have this problem. Sometimes we get out of our situation and now we can actually start making payments on time, but we cannot figure out what to do about those past due payments. So I have a letter for you all. Don't forget, for the last two episodes, we talked about debt settlement. We talked about lowering our payment temporarily, long term, short term. We talked about these different things. So you have 10 letters in this package. You'll find the letters in the description and in the comments. But let's go ahead and check out the letter for this episode. But again, it's so many letters in this package. You guys can check them out. It's just basically all together debt settlement or figure out what you need to do with your payments. So if you want to request for delayed payments on your missed payments, then that's what you need to do. You need to actually send this letter out. So put your name, your address, your email address, phone number, the date, the creditor's name, and their address. So you're going to request for delayed payments on missed payments, and put your account number here if you have it, and the name of the creditor. If you do not have your account number, find it on your statements or wherever it's at. Now, it's a few things that you need to fill in. Okay, so the number of missed payments, put the number of missed payments. Hey, I had 3 missed payments. We talked about that in an example. I had 3 missed payments on my account. I sincerely apologize for any inconvenience or concern this may have caused. Put that in here. Just the number of missed payments. It's already in here in there in terms of, I'm so sorry about this. I need to do this. And delayed payments. You temporarily request a delay in repaying the missed payments. And you could talk to them or let them know exactly when you want to actually do it. I affirm my commitment to resuming making regular payments starting. And when do you plan on doing that? Okay, put in there when you plan on doing that. Or also, you can have a revised payment plans. If necessary, I am open to discussing a revised payment plan that accommodates the repayment of missed installments. So definitely, if you guys had missed payments, again, that's what this whole episode is about, then it's on here saying I am open to discussing this. Let's come up with some type of agreement. Okay, that's what this letter is. This is for the people that wouldn't necessarily know how to get on the phone and talk to them. They're kind of nervous. Just get this and send it out certified, fill it out. And I do not suggest you really sign here. You could just leave it blank. But if you insist, go ahead and delete this section and sign. And then put your first and last name. But this is for your missed payments. Okay? These are debt settlement letters. Do a lump sum, creating a payment schedule. If you offer to return secure property to settle out debt, then you have that letter too. Request stopping payments, short term, long term. Also you have request long term lower payments. Hey, for the next 12 months, I know I'm supposed to pay $100 a month, but can I pay $20 per month? I got something going on. Or if you want to do a short term, hey, for the next 3 months, can I pay $20 instead of $100? It's different letters on here for you. And then an overall debt settlement letter. Hey, I know I owe $1,000, but can I pay $300 and settle out this debt completely? So I definitely have these letters available for you all. Again, for the next few episodes, we're just talking about debt settlement and coming up with some type of letters if you guys are behind on your payment or whatever the case may be. In the next episode, we're going to talk about the letters that you just saw, the lump sum payments, and then also creating some type of payment plan to settle out that reduced debt. So let's go over to the episode. If y'all have any questions, please go to my website, go to Rickita.com, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys have. Schedule a call with me. So right here, decide right here, you'll see my name. So go here and schedule a call, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys have. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye.